seen all the teams and all the players and all the coaches and all the strategies and the tactics. My updated thoughts on who will win the World Cup. Now, first of all, I'm not seeing a new World Cup winner this year. So again, it will be one of the previous 8 champions that will win. Of those 8 former champions, 7 are at this World Cup, with Italy failing to qualify. Now, before a ball was kicked in this tournament, I had France to go all the way. And having now seen all the teams, including my side, Brazil, I still have France as the team to beat, with only one slight change, being Messi and Argentina looking like they can win. With also England, Spain, Germany also having a chance to win. But all of that aside, it is as you were for my Maverick original prediction. France to win from Argentina with Brazil on the outside.